Hello, what I have here is a 1976 Lakewood model S14. This one has the clip-in handle, the knob they used from the early 70s all the way up until, well, basically the early 2000s. This is a 14-inch box fan. See, this one's this one's quite rough. It's missing some pieces on the back grill. This has a shaded pole Vasco motor. Let's see in there. And somewhere around here, there it is. There you go. Stamp is K76, so this is a 1976. It's in terracotta orange. It's really rough. It's got a lot of rust under the paint. All the foil has flaked off on the sticker here. It's not even attached right now. But yeah, this fan is due for a repaint. Front guard's in relatively good shape. It's complete. It's just a little yellowed. This side's not as bad as the other one, but still pretty rough looking. But I didn't pay very much for this fan. The feet, amazingly, are still here. Yeah, pulled it apart, cleaned it up. Well, as best as I'm gonna do right now before doing any kind of extra work to it. But it does run. It does run pretty good. You can see little patches of white where the dirt actually concealed the surface of the plastic there, protected it. It's really rough, man. Here we go for a run. For the time being, the cord that was on here was in really bad shape, so I just got this temporary cord on here at the moment. But here we go, low speed. Runs really good. Alright, that's going to conclude the video on this 14-inch terracotta S14 from '76. Thanks for watching.